This is day 3 of our special 30-day freelance business money mindset challenge. In this episode, we'll discuss the 7 ways to assess your financial attitude. The first step you need to take to resolve any potential concerns with an erroneous attitude is to identify your current money mindset. You can work with a mindset coach in addition to the traditional self-discovery methods like journaling and monitoring. You must track every move. Start by monitoring both your personal and business accounts. The source of every dollar coming in and going out should be identified. If you utilize this as the basis for your diary, you'll be able to determine the types of information you need to look up. Number 1. Keep a journal. The greatest way to identify issues you could be disregarding is to keep a journal. As it happens, notate everything that has to do with making decisions. List the advantages and disadvantages of each choice you make for a while in order to learn how to make informed choices. Number 2. Tell your story. Sometimes it can be beneficial to sit down and write out the story of your financial life. Describe your childhood. When money just happened to fall into your lap, what happened? Did you make wise choices? When you think of winning the lotto, what feelings come to mind? How does asking for money make you feel? Give a thorough account of each episode of your life, starting with your early years and how you dealt, felt and dispensed or saved money. Number 3. Become financially informed. Unless you have a degree in personal or corporate finance, the majority of the lessons you have undoubtedly learned over the years have probably not been that helpful in terms of your own money. If not, be sure to study books or listen to audiobooks or podcasts on managing your money wisely, investing, and having many sources of income. Number 4. Give yourself more time to decide on things where money is concerned. Being aware that you might be experiencing mindset issues helps you to give yourself more time to make a choice. You can carefully weigh each choice to ensure that none of your hurdles stand in the way. You should ferociously challenge your own assumptions. Number 5. Set goals and create plans. Without goals, especially smart goals, it will be difficult to create a plan. Always define goals and use those goals to create an action plan for achieving them. As a result, you'll need to make more sane choices. Number 6. Assess your reasoning. If you are having trouble choosing whether to purchase a tool, outsource services, or acquire anything you need for your business, you need to find a way to properly evaluate the information so you can make informed judgments. Number 7. Hire a coach. Finding the solutions can occasionally be made easier with help. You may need the help of a mindset coach while you examine your past and current thinking in an effort to find solutions. If you can't figure out your attitude on your own, this is a great alternative. Your attitude issues with money may be as simple as believing that money is bad. If you subconsciously perceive money as harmful, you'll want to keep it far away from you. Another possibility is that you experience poor self-esteem issues because you don't think you deserve success or prosperity. More than you might imagine at this point, looking into your decisions' underlying motives will be beneficial. Okay, that's all for this episode. We look forward to you watching the videos for the next 30 days. But if you'd like to circumvent that and save time, visit our Gumroad store and grab a copy of the IVA Hustle 30-Day Freelance Business Money Mindset Challenge Guide. It will give you all the information for the full month that you can apply immediately and begin to change how you view, manage, and grow your money and your business. If you want to learn more about how you can get your freelance business off the ground, head over to the IVA Hustle website and grab yourself the IVA Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit. The IVA Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit will teach you how to gain the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss and create a life you'll love. You can also grab a copy of the IVA Hustle Big Book of Freelancing from Amazon. It's full of startup ideas, including instructions to start freelancing quickly using the skills you already have. You'll find the 27 top side gigs for today's markets inside, along with step-by-step instructions for getting up and running fast with your business. It'll help you increase your freelance side hustle income today. For more information about IVA Hustle, visit us at ivahustle.com or just click the link in the description below. Again, if you've found the information helpful, please hit the like button. It lets us know what kind of content to produce to help hustlers like you. While you're doing that, please share this video to help others learn more about being an expert freelancer. This way you'll be able to show yourself as someone who knows how to find the facts and substantiate their expertise. We invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. Please visit the IVA Hustle's Gumroad page for ebooks, merch and reports. To support our channel and watch longer videos that we upload on Patreon, join us there. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos. Until tomorrow, hustlers.